First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Launch the software on your computer and connect your Android device to the computer with the USB cable. After connecting your Android device, the software will detect it and pop up a window to require you to click Allow on your device. Once successfully connecting, you will see this interface. Click Call Logs, then you can delete, export, and import call logs with the top menu of Delete, Export, and Import options. Please note that it only supports the XML file format.